Hello everyone, happy year of St. Francis. So this year marks the 800th anniversary of the death of St. Francis of Assisi, and Pope Leo XIV has proclaimed this the year of St. Francis. So it's a special year to reflect on St. Francis, and of course for Franciscans. I am not a Franciscan, but there are a bunch of secular Franciscans in my area. And I had the opportunity to pray with them and learn about the Franciscan Crown Rosary recently. So this rosary is 7 decades, and the 7 decades focus on the joys in Mary's life. So you start out by praying Our Father and 10 Hail Marys and a Glory Be for each decade, each one focusing on a joy from Mary's life. And then when you get to the conclusion, you will have prayed 70 Hail Marys. There are an additional 2 Hail Marys to remember Mary's assumption at the age of 72, so that she lived for 72 years before being assumed into heaven. And then there is an Our Father, a Hail Mary, and some sources have a Glory Be after that for the Pope's intentions. So Our Father and Hail Mary, and maybe Glory Be for the Pope's intentions to conclude the Franciscan Crown Rosary. So we'll make one today, and I'm going to include at least one link, maybe more than one link, about how to pray it and more information about the Crown Rosary in the description of the video. So to start out, you will need approximately 24 feet of cord, okay? When I made this one, I actually ended up with a little over a foot extra cord, and so you may be able to go with 23 feet, but I think 24 is a good safe place to be to make sure that you have enough cord to work your way through. So you start this out the same way you would start a regular rosary. So for a regular rosary would normally be, when I do it, about 18 feet of cord. So this one is 24 feet, and you start with the Hail Mary. So just like you would start a regular rosary, you have one end facing one way, one end facing the other way, and you wrap the cord down your finger 3 times for a Hail Mary. So Hail Mary are 3 wraps, Our Father beads are 4 wraps, and you pull the cord through to make that tight. It is a lot of cord for this one, being a longer rosary, of course. So you pull that through and tighten it down, so you have enough at the end to connect it to the other side of the rosary. So that would be like this part here, when you connect it at the end. And then you continue making more Hail Marys until you have a decade of 10, and then you'll do an Our Father bead, which will be a 4 wrap bead. I'll just show one more Hail Mary. So we have our first Hail Mary, we'll do our second, 3 wrap down the finger, pull through. Okay, and then you'll tighten it down so that it won't loosen up and come undone, and you'll have just a little bit of space in between the beads. When you get to the Our Fathers, you'll leave more space in between to make it clear that you're on the Our Father bead. Okay, we're gonna jump ahead. So on this one, I have already made the decade. So I have that first decade begins with the Hail Mary. Okay, goes through, we have the Our Father bead. As you are making the rosary, you're going to want to periodically just check and see that your beads are pretty well lining up with the other decades. And so when it's done, you'll have 3 decades on each side, and then of course you'll have the one at the top, okay, to have 7 decades all together. Okay, so you'll hold them together like this, just like you would a regular rosary, and you will connect them with a 4-wrap Our Father bead. Okay, so we'll wrap that around both of these ends, and then we'll pull the longer end through and tighten it down, keeping these sides even. Okay, so then we've connected the sides of our rosary, and then we want to put our 2 Hail Mary beads in. So we're going to leave some extra space, just like we would for every Our Father, before we do our 71st Hail Mary. And then we'll put our 72nd Hail Mary right after that one. So 3 wraps down, pull through, and then we'll be ready for another Our Father bead. Okay. So 4 wraps for the Our Father, and we'll spread that out. So so again, we have the bead that we connected with that counts as our first Our Father and also our last Glory Be for the regular Rosary decades. Then we have 2 Hail Marys and an Our Father. So this is where it looks different from a regular Rosary beginning. And then we have 1 more Hail Mary bead after the Our Father. So we'll spread that one out a bit there too for the Hail Mary. And then we're going to do our cross. So we'll do the cross like we normally would. So I like to do a 5 wrap at the top when I'm doing a full rosary, just so it ends up as a bigger cross at the end than if you were making like a chaplet. And we'll spread that out about the same as from the Our Father distance between the beads. And then a 10 wrap. This could also be 2 5 wraps if you don't want to do one huge one. You could do smaller ones and just have them be close together. That would of course work fine as well. Tighten that down. So we're leaving a little bit of space in between so that we will be able to tie our crossbar. So then we're going to want to burn it for that end. Okay. Oops. Blew that right out. Okay. And then we're going to do the crossbar. So we have our end pointed down and then our other end pointed up, and we're going to wrap it 5 times again for the first side of the crossbar. Okay. Tighten that down. You could either do it right up to the end, or you could always burn it off if it's not right up to the end, because chances are, especially if you're doing like me and you used 24 feet, you will probably have some extra cord to work with. So then you're going to tie it across to make your crossbar, your cross beam. So tighten that down. That's just one tie. Okay, and then we'll put the end at the top of the finger and then wrap down 5 and tighten it. So this will finish the other side of the crossbar. Okay. And then all that's left is to burn off this end and the end here to finish up the rosary. You could also do this with a lighter instead of a candle. also do it with like one candle instead of three, which would make more sense, but here we are anyway. Okay, so then that is it. That is the Franciscan Crown Rosary, praying and meditating on the joys of Mary. So happy rosary making and praying, and happy year of St. Francis, everyone.